And second would be my favorite at the moment would be Palladium. So if you're not aware, this is the Palladium daily chart, and this is the Palladium weekly chart. Anyway, this is a CFD for Palladium against USD, and it's a crazy chart. It just goes up and up. Some background information on Palladium. Palladium is a kind of metal that is used in cars, catalytic converters for petroleum cars. So a catalytic converter is something that converts your car's exhaust, the carbon emission and stuff like that, into more harmless gases. Hence, every car, every automobile that uses petroleum will need a catalytic converter. And this has made this metal be in higher and higher demand ever since, because more and more cars are being produced. And I believe there's a recent US and China trade deal that talks something about automobile production and there's some trade talks about upcoming automotive there's an uptrend in automobile production in Germany, I guess. So that may have sparked the recent increase in the demand. But if we look back, the price of Palladium, this is on the weekly chart by the way, it has been on the uptrend since February 2016. That is 4 years ago, and the uptrend has never stopped. Just that recently, maybe due to the US-China trade deals and all the trade deals that's happening around the world, Palladium has really spiked up in this recent few weeks. So much so that as of today that I'm recording, which is I'm in Singapore time, 17th of January, which is a Friday. There's a trading halt for Palladium, and it's the price has been halted by probably some commodities exchange around the world. And I don't know whether it's going to go up or go down, but it's a strong trending metal that doesn't seem to... I mean, it's definitely interesting. There's something that you can take note of.